I finally got around to it. This is a mouthful. The DIY wireless heated steering wheel cover for Tachi, the solar-powered spaceship car. Let's take a look at this thing. Well, there we are. All right, so a lot nicer looking. Obviously, this nice leather one that is one of the popular ones off Amazon. And you can't even really see it because it's all black and kind of blends it with our car, right? But we're still rocking that 18650 battery pack down there. I've got a proper barrel plug on it, cinched and crimped and tube shrunk. There is double layer, you can't really see it, but felt that had the heated wire going through it. I got a second one, so it's double layered on both sides, so now the heat penetrates through really nicely. It lasts about 45 minutes, so not super long, but that's like most of my drives are not like much longer than that, if even close to that. So this will work, and it takes like 2 minutes to heat up or something, and then it's great. It's nice and exactly the perfect temperature for this kind of thickness of cover, and it covers pretty much the whole thing, except for like a little gap down here by where the wires were, and there's like kind of the sewn gap up here, and that's it. Otherwise, so I can grip it pretty much anywhere, and it's nice and warm. So I'll show some pictures in this and leave some links to things in case you want to make your own version. It is definitely a lot less expensive than buying one of these things and or getting your car modified to have a proper heated steering wheel.